Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, April 9th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today. Tomorrow is Wednesday, which will be an early dismissal day, so at 1:05. So please make sure you remind your parents that early dismissal is tomorrow. As well as tomorrow, we have our reading and math night tomorrow, and also our book fair. So that will be happening from 6 o'clock until 7:30. We'll also have the portable planetarium called Star Lab that will be here from 6 until 7:32, in which we will give out some admission tickets for that because we can only do 30 in Star Lab at a time. So at 6 o'clock, 6:30, and 7 o'clock. For our April birthdays for today, we do not have any April birthdays today, so we will have birthdays to announce starting tomorrow. And lunch choices for today, we have Twisted Dog, beef and cheese nachos, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And today for our pause, I thought since the weather is nicer outside and we're using our playground equipment again, I thought I'd review the expectations for our swing. Okay, boys and girls, for our pause, we're going to focus on playground behavior and looking at our swing that is brand new this year. So the girls had said there have been some problem areas, especially with the swing, with people pushing it and then not getting out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the proper way to do this. As you can see, Chloe is pushing it from behind. She's not following it. And there is only two people on the seat at one time. And when you need to stop it then, you need to get a hold of it and just slow it down slowly. And usually if you just have a couple people helping you, it will come to a complete stop pretty quick. And then you can get off and then you can take turns and the next people come on. Thank you, girls. Thank you, girls. Appreciate that. So we have reviewed that one from the fall, so I think it would be appropriate now in the spring to kind of bring that back and show the proper expectations for our swing. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and place your right hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. So everyone have a great day today. Let's make some wonderful choices. And remember that our pause lasts throughout the whole day.